He's picking up speed now. Will we see a donut? Will we see... Oh, he just passed. Here we go. What's going to happen now? Sky Fox, zoom out for us, please. Thank you. So many people want to know how this is all going to end. We're right here with you. Worldwide on News Now. We are your source for police chases around the country. Thank you so much for joining us here, and we hope that this will eventually end peaceful. Hopefully he'll come to his senses and just stop before somebody gets hurt, or even worse, he could kill someone or he can get killed too. Is he going to do a wheelie? That's what a lot of people want to know too. Okay, where's he at now, Scott Fox? Let's track. Let's not zoom out so much here. Thank you. He seems to be enticing. He wants the police come to him. This could be scary here. Once again, we're just straight up on the outskirts of Oklahoma City. You can see county roads here. Everyone stay focused. Oh, come on now, don't lose it on us. Thank you. Wow, it's picking up speed. We're doing everything we can to provide you these aerials. Thank you for Sky Fox. Viewer discretion is heavily advised. You just don't know what's going to happen. You can see him. Oh, wow. Very close. See, that's what I'm saying, folks. It's not... It has every recipe not to end well. That... Boy, oh boy. Is he going to do a U? Yep. Is it wheelie time? I don't know. Continues to use this as his own personal... speed zone, really. Just trying to crank up speed for what right there. Here we go. No. All right, we got to get off, folks. Jeez. Viewer discretion heavily advised, everyone. Boy, that was something. We said this had every recipe to be bad, folks.